Okay, in today's experiment, I will be demonstrating a way to make a magnet using a metal, and I will use I'll rub a stronger magnet, and then it'll make a magnet. And right now, I will show you this isn't a magnet yet by touching this, but I can make it a magnet by rubbing it with the stronger magnet. See? Okay, I will show you another way to make a magnet by using electricity. That will be called electromagnets. And so I wrap this metal in a coil, and once the electricity goes inside of it, it will make it a magnet. Actually, it's not a magnet yet, but see? Now let's do it. And if I disconnect it, it will lose its magnet properties.